Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to boost your Shopify dropshipping store in 2025. Whether you are a beginner or already running a store, this AI can save your time, money and effort. So without any further ado, let's break it down step by step. So the first step is called product research with ChatGPT. So here let's search for AliExpress, and here I will enter that platform. This is one of the famous platform for dropshippers. So you just need to open the ChatGPT also, and then you just need to be asked ChatGPT actually give me 10 trending, like here give me 10 trending products for Shopify drop shipping in 2025. Trending products for Shopify dropshipping in 2025. So then you just need to hit that button, and then you just need to wait a bit. You can go further saying like you can make it narrow it down to beauty niche or give me pet products with high demand. So when it will get the result, you just need to go to the Google trend to see the trends individually, so you can identify that a whole year you can sell those. So it's an amazing one. So here you can see we already get trending dropshipping products for 2025, then 10 products you can see it here, that noble kitchen and home. So I will go with that one, eco-friendly products, that for example reusable bag. So let's copy this one, reusable bag, and let's see the trend of that, and just click to the explore, and here I will make it worldwide, and also it will be the past 12 months. And here you can see that it is quite good. Similarly, you can do with that smart home device like the smart plugs, or you can go with the locks. So I will click over here plug, and you can see it is quite good. Similarly, I will check for the past 5 years, and here you can see in December month maybe it goes up, so it is quite risky. I will go with thermostat or lock. So let's go to the seat locks, and here you can see it is quite good and always in uprising, so you can start work with that. So ChatGPT can help you brainstorm product idea based on trends, seasons, or specific interests. And the bonus tip, if I say that, ask ChatGPT to tell you why each product is trending and who the target audience is. The result is fast product ideas tailored to your niche. So when you find out your niche, you just need to copy the niche and come here to AliExpress and then search it, and you will get the logs. So you can see these are the logs you are getting in here. You can start to work with that platform. It is an amazing one, and you can find out more keyword like lock for door, and you can hit enter, and you will get all of them in here one by one. So this is amazing one to work or do product research with ChatGPT. Then into the step 2, you just need to be write winning product description. You just need to copy your product details or link from AliExpress, paste it into ChatGPT, and say write a high converting Shopify product description in 100 words. Let's say I can say that this product I love it, like this one is like affordable and I found out it is quite good. So I will find out what is the description. So from that place I think view more options, let's find it out. Is it any description available or not? They provide images, so it is sometimes more hard. So I'll copy the title and come back in here. I'll provide the title, and then I will say that write a high converting Shopify product description in 100 words, and then hit enter, and you will get the description. You can make it persuasive, and you can add emojis or write for a Gen Z audience also. Here you can see you already get, you can say ChatGPT that write it for Gen Z, write it for Gen G, and then hit enter, and you will get the thing here for the Gen G. You can say you are writing for it Gen G, and ChatGPT generate descriptions that are optimized for conversations. Results, you can save hours of writing and increase conversation through these options. Now let's talk about to create Facebook and TikTok ad copy. So you just need to ask ChatGPT for generate ad copy, like write to viral, like here write to viral Facebook ad headlines for that product. They will provide us the headline for us. You can create a TikTok script to promote products in 15 seconds. Also here you can see we get these 3 products in this favorite or upgraded one touch you are in. So it is an amazing one. You can even say give me 3 pain points and solution to highlight in the ad. Result, you just need to be scroll stopping ad is tailored to your audience. Now let's talk about the customer service template. So you can ask ChatGPT to write email replies, like create a friendly response for a refund request. Like here, let's create a friendly response for a refund request, and here you just need to be hit enter, and you can also generate live chat script, FAQ answer, written policy explanations with that. For result, you will get professional consistent customer support without hiring anyone. Now let's talk about build website copy with ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to write an about us page, like an about us page for a fashion drop shipping brand, and you get this, and you just need to be hit enter. Then you will get whole things in here. You can write for the like a simple and trustworthy homepage intro, taglines for fitness brand. You can also get ideas for call to action button, banner text, and shipping policy page. For the result, you will get full website content in a minute. Then let's talk about generate social media posts and emails. You can ask for daily post ideas, like give me 7 Instagram post ideas for a pet store, write 3 email subject lines for a new product launch. Or ChatGPT can also write email newsletter, promotional offers, engagement post, polls, memes, and questions. For result, never run out of content for email and social media. And automate tasks with AI tools, like combine ChatGPT with other tools like Zapier to automate repetitive tasks, Canva for generate designs ideas with AI prompts, and Shopify apps for use prompts to create automations rule. For example, the prompt will be write a Zapier automation message for new orders. You can boost your productivity and run your store like a pro. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it is a virtual assistant for dropshipping. You can use it for product ideas, marketing copies, support replies, website tools, social media, and email content. The more specific your prompts, the better the output. Play around, experiment, and save hours every week. Like this video if you learned something new, drop a comment or what task will you automate with ChatGPT, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and e-commerce tips every week.